The Trump administration's massive overhaul of the federal government already impacts Huntsville residents, especially the significant federal government employee and contractor workforce, which earned the town its Rocket City moniker. It's where we start tonight. I'm Kenesha Dees. One Huntsville City Council member wants to know what all of these changes could mean for Huntsville. Our Simon Williams has more.
Just over a month into the Trump administration, and there's already tumult. Elon Musk's gutting of federal agencies' funding, mass layoffs of civil servants, and relocating 500 FBI agents to Huntsville has all contributed to a chaotic environment for the Rocket City's resident federal employees and government contractors. Huntsville City Council member Bill Kling wants to get a hold of the situation locally by asking the same questions the public might have.
Good things are happening, but at the same time, with these federal agencies that are being basically cut or even eliminated, we're not sure how is that going to affect our federal workforce. It's a significant problem that I think municipalities around the country are really having to deal with.
More specifically, Kling wants to get a status update on the estimated tens of millions of federal funds granted by the U.S. Department of Transportation during the Biden administration.
The northern bypass, I think, would be very, very important because eventually we're going to be seeing a ring road around the city that would take heavy amounts of traffic off the central part of the city. I-565 at Memorial Parkway is a very important interchange, and it needs to be upgraded. Eventually, to do that would cost in excess of $100 million.
U.S. Representative Dale Strong's site claims $8.3 million in federal funds were earmarked for the Northern Bypass project in the 2024 appropriations process. Another city project supported at least in part by federal funding was bus rapid transit. Huntsville's BRT plan would create higher efficiency and more environmentally friendly bus routes to and from downtown along University Drive. In December of 2024, the city accepted $850,000 in federal funds to conduct a corridor study. City planner Dennis Madsen said at the time it would help expand transit options for increased ridership. Kling says although he's not talked to anyone in the congressional delegation just yet, he expects the city to be working the wires to learn more.
We're not going to have all the answers, but again, at least we can see the thinking that's taken place and what information that our staff people have.
While there isn't much the city council can do on this yet by way of a voting measure, Kling says the council meeting is the right place to get this conversation started. In Huntsville, Simon Williams, Fox 54 News.
Kling intends to speak on this at this week's Huntsville City Council meeting. The session begins on the 27th at 5 p.m. at City Hall. The public is welcome to attend. Fox 54 will have more on Thursday night's edition at Fox 54 News at 9.